how we are placing the antenna device. So, do you have any idea that where we place the antenna in car? Car. So, how after place, what we will be getting that from the antenna? Frequencies. For this automatic car detection, what first thing is what we see? We see that what are the distance, what the object is penetrating to it. Right side, what is the weight? Now we see that we are seeing that microwave radiation as well. So we'll see the, how it is detected. So detection is happening based on the emitting of microwave signals. That is based on transmitting the signal and then reflecting the signals from this vehicle effect. Vehicle effect is we have to see that what is the distance of transmitting and the receiving object distance. That first thing is we have to see what where is the object is. Next is based on this object we have to calculate the speed calculation. Speed calculation is done by the Doppler effect. This Doppler effect is nothing but it is a very good concept like for following the line of sight. If you are standing something, if you want to detect the object in some other distance, some other way, so we transmit the signal from here. So when it is going to this other side of the signal will penetrate. The initial penetration will be very small. Later on, it will be the higher amount of radiation. This Doppler effect microwave sensor we use practically we use for human detection. Those if someone is coming and hitting a standing in front of door, if you want to identify who is standing out, then use the Doppler effect, this Doppler frequency, microwave frequency with the alarm. That is depends upon this Doppler effect. And this Doppler sensor, microwave sensor, is not harmful to our body. That is, whenever the object is coming near to it, based on this object, the signals will be in the form, it will print automatic bending of the signal. So then when we are reaching it and standing in front of the thing, microwave sensor, it will detect and it will give the alarm. So but it will not that bending will have the transmission and the reflection of space. Okay. So here now we come to this back here. So we based on the Doppler effect we go for the how we calculate the system calculation. Next is the distance measure. How we use the distance measure is based on how the signal is transmitting and the receiving time period. Based on this time period, we go for the emission. Okay, emission and the distance between the vehicle effect. Next is all this we go for this control unit. How we control based on this car speed. So this car speed nowadays we use this automatic car controls. All it depends on fully working on the sensor side. So this automatically accelerating and deaccelerating. Accelerating is like generating the signal and receiving the signal. That based on that we use this. So then car speed everything will adjust. The sensor will like okay your car is very fast and your car is very small. So based on this thing we are able to get the control the signal. Next is how this they use the manufacturer. What manufacturers will do is they will identify what are the different types of sensor can be used to implement in the car. So can you say this, what are the sensors we can use in the car? LIDR sensor. What is the purpose of LIDR sensor?
To detect objects surrounding the car. So
Yeah.
because they can use for objects in case surrounding the car.
Next.
Already we have used some of the sensors maybe for ultrasonic for functioning.
Radio wave sensor, they we have nowadays we have that Bluetooth sense. All this are working on this. Bluetooth everything is working on this microwave sensor. Later on, they implementing the how we are going to select that. So before damaging or something, we need the integration. That before accident, we need the for that also they are selecting the sensor based on the long range communication. For the long range communication, we use this microwave sensor. So that it is before the vehicle is coming to hit, before 200 meters away, we can by using this microwave sensor, we can even detect that vehicle is coming, something is object is going to interfere something. And then it's how that is integrating that microwave sensors, they are placing in the front wheel like things front and back wheel, so that before 200 distance away, we can able to keep our car very safe. And all these things will then combine and place in the vehicle electronic unit and they'll go for the testing. This is the scenario study of this sensors, microwave sensors on the car. Okay, thank you.